TTS has always played a leading role in product innovation and now presents its latest offering, the Blick frame. Available in 40 to 50 centimeter sizes, the Blick frame is equipped with a connector with a ferrule for the insertion of handles of different diameters, an anti-rotation pin that prevents the handle from swiveling needlessly during use, a 360-degree swivel that permits the tool to be easily directed and reach even the hardest to reach areas beneath furniture, a round push button for silent, comfortable opening, rounded edges that facilitate the insertion of the spare mop, a completely flat bottom for the uniform distribution of the washing force on the mop for more effective cleaning. But the real Blick innovation is the patented universal automatic hooking system that permits any spare mop with pockets to be hooked to the tool, never requires the operator to bend over during washing, and reduces contact with dirt and chemical washing solutions. Blick is lightweight, easy to use and ecological thanks to the use of prime quality plastics. Let's see how the Blick frame is used to wash floors. Take a spare mop and insert it into the Blick tool. Press the tool's opening button. As we can see, the spare mop stays hooked to the Blick tool and we can dip it completely into the chemical washing solution for absorption. Now, we insert the spare mop into the Tech vertical wringer and wring the spare mop. When we put the spare mop on the floor, the Blick tool closes silently. We'll now wash a few square meters of floor by moving the tool in an S movement. We'll open the Blick tool again by simply touching the button. The spare mop hangs from the Blick tool and we can dip it completely into the rinse water to detach the dirt. We'll dip the spare mop into the Tech vertical wringer once again to wring the spare mop. Now, we can keep on washing the rest of the floor by repeating the sequence above. Blick offers the following advantages over the usual floor washing systems. A 30% reduction in work time thanks to larger tool spread area. A uniform distribution of the washing force. Perfect cleaning even in corners. Excellent cleaning of stairs, vertical surfaces, and even the hardest places to reach. Blick is also an innovative system wherever disinfection or sanitization of the floors is required. Let's observe how the various phases of floor disinfection are performed using the Blick tool. We'll take a spare mop already soaked in disinfectant and dip it into the Blick tool. Now we'll disinfect the floor by moving the mop in an S movement. We'll open the Blick with a simple touch of the button. As you can see, the spare mop is hooked to the Blick. Now, by applying slight pressure near the hook, we can slide the contaminated spare mop into the appropriate container. Blick is much more professional than the usual disinfection systems because both the insertion of the spare mop into the frame and the detachment of the spare mop are performed with the greatest of ease and especially without ever having to bend over or touch the spare mop with your hands. Blick makes the work easier for the operator by eliminating all bending to collect the spare mop and prevents the dirt and the chemical cleaning solution from coming into contact with the operator's skin, thereby preventing occupational diseases. Blick guarantees remarkable reductions in washing and disinfection times, translating into big savings in cost. Blick can be easily used with other cleaning systems because it can be adapted to all types of spare mop and requires no investment in personnel training. TTS offers various types of spare mop with pockets for different cleaning needs. A cotton, polyester, and microfiber spare mop designed to make ideal use of the characteristics of each fiber. A spare cotton mop is recommended for daily floor washing. A spare polyester mop is recommended whenever disinfection or sanitization of the floor is required. TTS solutions make your work easier.